Imagine waking up in the middle of a forest, in your own cozy home, built from just one shipping container. This peaceful escape costs less than you think, and wait till you see what's inside. Let me show you. Here it is. Hidden among the trees, this shipping container became the perfect forest home. Look at how it sits peacefully in nature. The wooden deck wraps around, giving you the best seat to watch the sunrise and sunset. No fancy construction, no big crews, just simple, smart building that anyone can do. The best part? You're completely off the grid here. Solar power, rainwater, fresh air, everything you need, nothing you don't. Come on, let's go inside. These big windows bring the forest right inside. It's like living in nature, but with all the comfort. The space is simple and cozy, just enough room to relax, read a book, or sit quietly with your morning coffee. No TV needed here. The view is your entertainment. The kitchen is small, but has everything. Open shelves, clean counter space, and a little cooking area that works perfectly. Imagine making breakfast while birds sing outside your window. That's everyday life here. Everything runs on solar power, so you're not missing any modern comfort. Now, the bedroom. This is where peace really happens.